Cooper Marcher here. Starting around the early 90s, cats began taking over the internet, and their reign has continued for decades. There's no sign of slowing down. On the contrary, the momentum is only growing stronger, like a digital feline tsunami. That said, cats have probably always been the subject of fascination for humans. Cats were adored and revered in ancient cultures across the globe, and cat memes predate the internet by at least 70 years. We suspect it was only a matter of time before cats became the celebrated official mascot of the internet. At least that is in cultures where cats and dogs are most popular pets. Why? We may never fully understand, but here are a few possibilities for your consideration. Using the simplest explanation, people love watching cats online because their antics help you to quickly de-stress. There are many explanations about the psychology involved as to why cats ease anxiety. Maybe it's partly this. At a deeper level, they remain humans of their wild, relatively free origins. We're living in an often stressful artificial world now, but cats and people have lived very different lifestyles for most of history. For thousands of years, people were not confined and separated from nature as hunter-gatherers. Even today, cats remain incredible hunters and wildcats, and we love them for it. Looking back, it was only when agricultural practices began that humans domesticated themselves. That's when cats seem to have done the same, inviting themselves into the new human settlements. Humans found pet cats desirable, and they drove away rodents. Now living in a relatively sterile and artificial world cut off from nature, cats' hilarious, often rebellious antics are deeply relatable. Everybody loves watching them because cats never really became domesticated. Unlike humans and dogs, we love dogs too, but cats are generally not likely to follow commands the same way as a dog, even though it's a myth that they can't be trained. According to Michael Newell, a philosopher of art at the University of Kent, humans' inordinate interest in cats may derive from their formal resemblance to their offspring. Their big eyes, smallish noses, and dome-shaped heads trigger the evolutionary nurturing instincts that may have evolved toward babies, NPR reported. Most people love baby talking to both cats and dogs, and it turns out they love it too. Researchers found cats love it when their humans baby talk, but won't respond when strangers do it. It's one example that cats definitely bond with you. Another example is that cats meow almost entirely to chat with people. They even develop complex vocalizations to talk to you. So as fascinated as people will always be with cats, cats are more interested in you than some people think. We've even developed a sort of language just for you. May the cats reign over the internet and everywhere continue forever. What would you do without cats in your life? Cooper Marcher here. Ciao.